By 2 in the afternoon, I used to feel like I was twice my age. Every step felt heavier, every thought slower. My back would tighten, my shoulders ached, and I'd catch myself sighing, not from stress, but from fatigue. And I remember thinking, is this just what getting older feels like? But one day, I noticed something. The pain didn't come in the mornings or at night. It came in the middle of the day. That was my clue. Because the truth is, it wasn't age catching up to me. It was inactivity. And when I changed just 3 small things in my afternoons, I stopped feeling old and started feeling alive again. Section 1. Why the afternoon is a trap for your body. Let's be honest. Our modern afternoons are built for stillness. We sit for hours, staring at screens. Our muscles freeze, our posture folds, and our energy drains. The human body was never designed to sit motionless for half the day. Your muscles act like pumps, moving blood, oxygen, and nutrients through your system. When you stop moving, circulation slows. The result? Tight muscles, stiff joints, and that dull, tired ache you can't quite name. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need more rest. You need better rhythm. Your body doesn't want constant rest or constant motion. It wants a balance. Small bursts of movement that keep your internal engine running smoothly. This is where the first habit comes in. Section 2. Habit number 1. The micro-move reset. Every 45 minutes, I stop for 1 minute to move. That's it. You can call it a micro-move reset. I stand up, roll my shoulders, stretch my arms wide, and take 3 deep breaths. Then I twist gently from side to side, feeling my spine wake up. At first, it felt silly. How could something so simple make any difference? But within a week, I realized, this was medicine. Each time you move, even for 60 seconds, you pump oxygen back into your bloodstream. You realign your spine. You remind your body it's still alive. Because stiffness isn't caused by too much use. It's caused by not enough movement in enough directions. So I made it part of my life. Every time I checked my phone, I moved. Every time I poured water, I stretched. Every time I sighed. That was my cue to stand up and reset. By day 7, something amazing happened. That 2 p.m. slump that used to crush my focus disappeared. I wasn't dragging my body through the day. I was carrying it consciously. The truth is, you don't need a workout to feel better. You just need to break the stillness that's been breaking you. Section 3. Habit number 2. The midday sun recharge. The second habit I discovered completely changed not just my body, but my mood. It's simple. Step outside for 5 minutes of midday light and movement. I call it the midday sun recharge. For years, I used to eat lunch at my desk. No sunlight, no movement, just scrolling and sitting. But sunlight isn't just about vitamin D. It resets your circadian rhythm, regulates your hormones, and boosts serotonin, the chemical that helps your body feel good and move well. So I started stepping outside between noon and 2. Just a walk down the block. Sometimes barefoot in the grass. Sometimes just standing still, breathing deeply. That tiny change had ripple effects I never expected. I started sleeping better. My digestion improved. And the stiffness in my shoulders and knees, the kind that used to last all day, began to fade. Our bodies are like solar panels. They don't just need rest, they need light. That 5-minute break became my natural energy boost. No coffee, no energy drinks, just oxygen, sunlight, and movement. And that gave my afternoons a completely new rhythm, calm, alert, and pain-free. Section 4. Habit number 3. The posture check-in. The third habit might be the most underestimated: posture. We think posture is about how we look, but it's actually about how efficiently our body moves. When your posture collapses, your muscles and joints compensate. Your neck tightens, your back compresses, your lungs lose space, your blood flow weakens. So I started doing a posture check-in every afternoon. Here's how it goes. I stand tall and imagine a string gently pulling the top of my head upward. I let my shoulders roll back and down. I slightly engage my lower belly. Then I take 3 slow breaths, feeling my ribs expand. Instantly, I feel lighter, taller even. It's not just physical, it's psychological. Because posture affects mood. When you stand tall, you breathe better, think clearer, and move with more confidence. Science shows that posture can even influence your hormone balance, lowering stress hormones and boosting alertness. So now, whenever I catch myself slouching in front of a screen, I pause. I realign, and I remind myself, this is what younger feels like. Good posture isn't about being stiff. It's about creating space for energy to flow through your body again. Section 5. Mind-body connection. Why these habits work. What I've learned is this: pain and fatigue are not enemies. They're messages. Your body doesn't want to punish you. It wants to wake you up. Every ache, every stiffness, is a whisper saying, move me, breathe me, listen to me. And when you respond with awareness instead of frustration, your body rewards you with energy and relief. The 3 habits, micro moves, sunlight, and posture, are not just physical routines. They're forms of communication. They tell your body, I'm here. I care. I'm paying attention. And when you do that, your body starts working with you again, not against you. These 3 habits changed my afternoons completely. No more slumping in pain, no more forcing myself through the day. Just calm, fluid energy. The kind that feels effortless. You don't need youth to feel good. You need rhythm, sunlight, and breath. So tomorrow, when the afternoon slump hits, don't reach for coffee. Reach for your body. Stretch. Breathe. Step outside. Realign. And if this helped you, subscribe for more healing habits that reconnect you to your body. Because the secret to feeling young isn't in the years you've lived. It's in the way you move through them.